All right, getting close to the end of the day, 5:38 p.m. Still getting about 8,500 watts from PV because I have a couple of west arrays. Overall, we did okay. 175 kilowatt hours today. Kind of disappointed I couldn't get more out of it because I just did not have enough loads to go. So I'll show you the massive clipping no matter what we were doing. We had the dryer going pretty much all day. We just got back from vacation. 3 HVACs were going all day. I think they're around 73, 72 degrees throughout the house. The HVACs are 5 ton. The other one is 4 ton, and the small one is 2.5 ton. Then we also have the garage 3 ton mini split from Pioneer running full blast all day. It was around 73 or no, I think 74 degrees throughout the day, and then the workshop has been at 73 degrees today, and it is also a Pioneer 3 ton mini split. So just so you can see where we're at. You can see the clipping there that occurred. So just around that time there, you can see, so just past 1 p.m. it was severely clipped and then clipped throughout the day, but there were times that we were doing over 25, 26 kilowatt from PV, but that's also clipped some because of the weather. And also I think there's some clipping going on since I only have 2 inverters running, and it's being throttled at times. So the heat is pretty crazy too. 118 outside in Arizona, and who knows how much more up on the roof and where the panels are. I think it was over 150 when I looked it up. So that degrades the output, but that's why you over panel. That's why you have 77 panels pushing right now, and still some panels left to install to reach that 92 panel goal. Then we should be around 40 something kilowatt capable at that time. But also that's where I will also add the 18 kPV to help out the 2 FlexBus 21s. Still deciding on what to do with the Access PV. It's quite a bit. I'm pretty sure it'll be over 100 kilowatts easily throughout the 9 months out of the 12 months. When it's not so hot right now, or throughout the year should be a lot easier to run ant miners or whatever else I decide to do, but I got to do something with that. It's a lot of power. So there you have it. Quick video on that. I'll do some more videos soon. All right, thanks.